Chickens are by nature social, curious, and intelligent animals. But in the merciless factory farm, their lives are reduced to short and joyless agony. Chicks hatch not in the maternal nest, but in the incubator. As soon as they can stand, they are sorted, vaccinated, packed up, and sent to enormous feedlots. In these animal prisons, they reach slaughtering weight in record time, never seeing daylight and under extremely crowded conditions. The normal life expectancy of a chicken is 20 years. Broilers only live up to 42 days. During this brief lifespan, they must gain roughly 2 kilograms. No organism can withstand such brutally rapid growth.